Hello friend, welcome back. Currently when you try to generate the CSS selector from SelectorsHub, free version or pro version, it used to generate very accurate CSS selector. But in some cases, like in case of SVG element, or in some case of those elements which has the ID with some special characters like colon or dot or like different kinds of special character which generally DOM is not, or like the selectors generator tools are not able to handle like that. In those situations it is not able to generate the very accurate or like you can say unique CSS selector, or it might be generating the very long CSS selector sub. So here for an example, like this is the website and one of the user recently reported this issue, and that's where we fix it. So if you right click and try to inspect this element here on AppSumo website, so you see that this is an SVG element. Let me just zoom in. Now if we open SelectorsHub, so you see that it is by default it's not generating the unique CSS selector. It's showing 11 matching node. You can see that 11 matching node for this CSS selector, though it should generate the one only, right? Similarly, if you go a little up here, it is generating very long CSS selector. You see, even though this element has ID here, though this is what I was saying, like if it has some special character like colon, dash and all, so in that, I mean, this is a very rare case, it generally it won't come. But still, like if this is a situation, then it should have generated directly with the ID, or here it should have generated a unique CSS selector, while it's not able to generate. So this issue we have fixed now, and now it will be generating very short and unique CSS selector, not like 11 CSS selector in case of SVG element. Similarly, like if I will also show you one example on SelectorsHub website here, practice page, like this element here. So here also it is not able to generate unique CSS selector, right? So now let us see how we have fixed it, and now what it will be generating. So let me show you first in pro version. So here you see that as soon as we open the pro version, you can see that relative CSS selector, now it is generating 1, and here you can see that it is generating 9. I will show you this in free version also. This feature is available in free version also, it will be generating like this. And similarly, if we go to this page here, for this element it is generating 11. It is showing 11 matching node with this CSS selector. Like if you go with the pro, and here you see that 1 it is showing, and this is the CSS selector. Very short and simple using this. And now if you inspect this element here also, you will see that it is generating unique CSS selector for this element, and very short. While in free means currently with what you people are having, it is generating very long. Okay, so now it will be generating very short and unique CSS selector in all the cases, and this feature will be available both in free and pro version. So right now I showed you guys in pro version. Now let me show you in the free version as well. So I will just update my extension. Okay, so now I have the latest version. So let me just inspect the free version here and show you guys. So here you can see that now it is generating CSS selector for this particular element as a unique CSS selector, and which is very small in length as well. Similarly, like if we inspect this element, you can see that it is generating very unique and very small, not that lengthy CSS selector. Similarly, if you go to this page and try to inspect this element, both the free and pro version will be generating the unique CSS selector for such elements. You see here and here as well. So this is very helpful now, and you will not face this kind of challenge where that SelectorsHub is generating long CSS selector. And if in any corner cases you face ever like SelectorsHub is generating very long CSS selector, and it should have generated a small, and it can be generated a small CSS selector in length, then please do report to us, please do let us know, and we will be more than happy to fix that issue. And you can also use SelectorsHub right just by clicking on here, and this feature is available in free version from 5.3.0 and in pro version 5.1.5. both the versions are already live. You guys can just update SelectorsHub and you will be having this feature, and it will be showing very long, very short and unique CSS selector for such kind of elements, and then you will not be facing any challenge right there. Okay, so if you face any challenge, do let us know. You just inspect that particular element for which you want to generate unique CSS selector, and you will be having very unique CSS selector, both in free version and pro version. This feature is available from version 5.3.0 in free version, and pro version 5.1.5. And apart from this, if you guys have any issue, do let us know. Any feature improvement, any like any kind of improvement you guys feel, we are more than happy to help you with that. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.